Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to delete your Instagram account. It doesn't matter you have iOS or Android. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we should go to our profile just by clicking on profile icon at the bottom. Here we need to tap on three lines at the top right corner. And in appearing menu just choose Settings. Now we should find Help and click on it. Then we need to press on Help Center and just wait. Now we should click on three lines at the top right corner. And in appearing menu we need to tap on Manage your account. Next we should find option which is called Delete your account and tap on it. Now we need to choose the second option, how do I delete my Instagram account. Then we should scroll down and find option which is called Delete your account and tap on this blue text. Here we should choose the reason why we want to delete our account. For example, I will choose something else, but anyway it doesn't matter. After choosing the reason, you should write your password in the field that appears and then tap on blue button with delete and your username. But you should make sure before clicking on it. And then your account will be deactivated for 30 days and only then will be deleted. That's all, it was how to delete your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.